Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's learn how to prepare sagu custard or sabudana custard. Take half bowl of sagu seeds, wash well and soak for 1 to 2 hours. After 2 hours of soaking, the sagu looks like this. Now boil 1 liter of milk in a pan. Meanwhile, take a little cold milk in a bowl and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of custard powder. Mix well without any lumps. While the milk is boiling, take a small amount of hot milk in a bowl and add some strings of saffron to it. Set it aside. This is optional. Saffron gives a nice color and aroma to the milk. Now add the sagu seeds to the boiling milk and cook till the sagu seeds become transparent. Sagu is almost transparent. At this point, add sugar according to your taste. I am adding 3 big spoons of sugar. Mix well. Now add saffron milk to the pan and mix well. You can see the sagu is fully cooked. Now add custard milk to the pan slowly. Keep stirring. Cook for 5 more minutes. Now switch off the flame and let it cool for 1 hour. If you like it chilled, keep it in the fridge for 1 hour. Add your favorite fruits and garnish with some dry fruits. Your tasty sabudana custard is ready to be enjoyed. That's all for today. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my upcoming videos.